Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's a sad day. Just found out Rubio is closing 50 stores on the West Coast. No more fish tacos. You know, I first had a fish taco at Rubio's 1985, Mission Beach, San Diego, right off the Grand Garnet. Anyways, we're gonna do it today at home. I'm gonna show you how to make them just as good, if not better. So stick around, we're doing it next. All right, let's get started on these fish tacos. First, we got to make the white sauce. 1 cup whole milk, plain yogurt. 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Give it a good whisk. We're going to add a couple dashes of dry cilantro. Granulated garlic. And granulated onion. Just a couple dashes. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. A little bit of lime juice. And we'll whip that up and put it in the fridge until we're ready. Next, a little something I like to do is some pickled red onion. So, I've got my saucepan out. I'm going to add 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and we'll bring that to a rolling boil. Stir it until it's completely dissolved. Then we'll turn the heat off and let it start to cool. And while that is mixing and cooling, oh, I almost forgot some peppercorns. Black peppercorns. Anyways, but while that's cooling, we're going to go over and slice our red onion super thin. So we got the mandolin out. I've got it over a deli container. I probably should have used a bigger bowl because the onions went everywhere. Anyways, we'll get the onions into the deli container. And once that liquid is cooled, or pickling juice has cooled, we're going to pour that right over the onions. And we'll put the lid on and put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, and that will give us pickled onions. Now, I've got 4 pieces of cod that I'm going to cut depending on how big the slices are. Some I cut in half and some I cut 3 ways. And then we'll move those to a clean plate. Next, I've got Louisiana fish fry. You can get it at any grocery store. Louisiana fish fry. What I like about this is it's very light. So you're not just getting batter. So you're going to dunk your cod into cold water. Take it out of the cold water. Get as much water off of it now. And then put it into the fish fry. Coat it real good. Press it on tight. And then put it onto a clean plate. And that is all you need. You don't need a beer batter. You don't need thick batter where all you taste is batter. This way you actually taste the fish. And it's Louisiana fish fry. I'll leave a link under the video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now I've got my cast iron out. Got some vegetable oil in there at 350 degrees. We're going to toss these fishes right into the oil. And about 3 or 4 minutes each side, or until nice and golden brown. Then we'll flip them over, go another couple of minutes. That's what you're looking for right there. nice and crispy. So I've got a little cookie rack out with the, or cookie sheet out with the rack to drain any excess oil so they stay nice and crispy. And we'll lay those right across on top of that. And once we have all the fish out of the oil and done, it's time to start building our tacos. So I've got the white sauce. I've got some regular red taco sauce. I've got some shredded cabbage. And I've got the pickled red onion that we made earlier. Oh, and I almost forgot. Before we do that, we got to heat up these tortillas. What I like to do is put them on an open flame for a couple seconds and turn them. A couple seconds and turn them until they get nice and soft and ready to go. That doesn't take very long. Just be careful you don't burn yourself. Use tongs if you're afraid. All right, now we're going to move over and start building these tacos. So put one tortilla down. We're going to spread on some white sauce. A little bit of cabbage. A little bit of red taco sauce. And a piece of fish. Just like that. That's simple. In case you missed it, we're going to do it again. White sauce. Red sauce. Cabbage. Piece of fish. And on the last one, the only thing I'm going to add is the red pickled onion that we made. And I'm going to serve each taco with a slice of lime. And you are all set. You've got yourself some beautiful, tasty Baja fish tacos. As good, if not better than Rubios, but made at home. Nice and fresh. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.